I'm in Jimbaran Beach, next to the Jimbaran fish market. Was the beautiful sunset today, as is over there is bright, but was really beautiful. I will show you. And over there, everywhere around there, they are famous Jimbaran fish restaurants, seafood restaurants in Jimbaran. And today I want to show you Jimbaran by night. That's why I'm waiting still 20 minutes, half hour, where we'll be already after sunset, and people are gonna have a dinner, seafood dinner at the beach. Last 2 weekends ago, no, last weekend, no, yeah, last 2 weekends ago, was very busy in Jimbaran, as many media and many Instagrams and YouTubers saying as was very busy in Bali. I wanna see how is it after about 2 weeks, not even 10 days after the long weekend, if it's still busy in Jimbaran, a lot of seafood people, we will see. And also I will show you Jimbaran by night itself. How is it? I will drive now where is there a lot of restaurants, then I'm gonna go to the other side on the beach where is the restaurants, show you, and then second part of the video will be in Jimbaran City, because I never show you Jimbaran City. It's already 160 vlogs. Could you imagine that? Quite a lot, and I never show you the Jimbaran City center. So today will be Jimbaran at night. Alright, just arrived on the parking area on the other side. As you can see, it's quite busy. I mean, it's not super busy, but it's definitely much more busier than a month ago. I'm pretty sure also as on the beach is more busy. Over there there are more expensive restaurants, here are more cheap restaurants, so I think here will be definitely busy. As you can see already quite many people and the cars see you on the beach now. Alright, as you can see, it's actually every restaurant over here is open, but occupancy is about 25%. Actually, it's still much more busier than a month ago, but definitely it's not full house like every single table occupants like 2 weeks ago during the long weekend. However, next week probably will be again very busy because it's another long weekend. So this is like depends when people from other islands in Indonesia have holidays to come, because obviously it's November, so busy time for people who obviously work. But everywhere except Bali they are not really touristic niche, so they mostly work as usual, except the company doesn't go on bankruptcy. In Java especially they are completely different, especially in Jakarta. Jakarta is very well developed city, capital city of Indonesia. Actually, maybe I will go to Jakarta in near future, so I will make a few vlogs over there, but we will see. Meanwhile, this is Jimbaran, some local kids. It was beautiful sunset. I will go now into the city center of Jimbaran, Jimbaran City. We will see how is there. It's busy on the streets or not. Nice waves and beautiful sunset. It's really, if you've never been in Jimbaran and you are not a big fan of seafood, well, I'm not gonna force you to eat seafood. However, it's very nice to come here to see the sunset, because the sunsets in Jimbaran are wonderful. And if you like the seafood, here is the really great place. A lot of restaurants over here. You can choose which one you like. The prices over here are almost everywhere the same. Just more expensive is over there where I show you the people on the street waiting for you, because they are more maybe more fancy. But yeah, that's how it is. But this sunset is priceless. See you in the Jimbaran city center now.
Watch out, 'cause I know the brakes
Alright, just past the main street in Jimbaran. This is the Starbucks. As you can see and hear on the roads, it's quite busy. The road is quite busy, quite loud. The Starbucks, yeah, who cares about Starbucks, right? However it is. Yeah, that's how it looks, the first part of Jimbaran City. This is like a more old town, let's say. A smaller road, and there is the statue, and will be the another road heading to McDonald's and KFC. I will show you that part of the Jimbaran as well. See you there, enjoy the view today. Here is some ATMs, Dirmala, supermarket, petrol station, Indomaret, and that's how it looks Jimbaran in three sides. Beach, one city center and second main road. This is the most famous places in Jimbaran, and that's actually the pretty Jimbaran center. This video is dedicated more to the people who miss Jimbaran, even it's not so many, because Jimbaran is not as popular as other Bali cities. However, if you are interested how it looks in Jimbaran, this place, this video is really good for you. And for today I think that will be enough. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, like always. Something new at 7 PM Bali time. And see you tomorrow, guys. Take care. See ya.